Wonderful good morning guys, we're still here in Vang Vieng and today we're gonna check out the waterfalls. If you have seen my other videos, you saw already that there is plenty of things to do here. Yesterday we went to the Blue Lagoon 3 and the day before to the Blue Lagoon 1 and to some caves and stuff like that, and we're always cruising around with our half motorbike kind of thing, and yeah, just through the dirt roads and stuff. It's really fun. So yeah, check out the other videos if you haven't. You can find them right here, and yeah, show you the waterfalls.